1, 2, checking volume.
You have to figure it's an incredibly sad thing to be in a culture where something can be celebrated just because it's different. Musically, we're pretty much incapable of being on any other level. You know, I don't know if personally I'm sophisticated enough to like go home and write a bunch of slick pop ballads. Although it would probably be much better for my life if I could rewrite Belinda Carlisle's Heaven is a Place on Earth and just fucking, you know, soak in the bucks.
A man trials on plane into the twice the building. A man trials on plane into the Saskatoon is in the room. Montreal is in the room. Spokane is in the room. St. Louis is in the room. It's Chicago. It's not Chicago. Chicago. It's not Chicago. A man cuts in half, just like he snaps a pencil. A man cuts in half, just like he snaps a pencil. A raccoon is in the room. A coon is in the room. A Glasgow is in the room. Beijing is in the room. Yes, Chicago. It's not Chicago. It's Chicago. It's not Chicago. A man trials and plays so loud, twice the building. A man trials and plain so loud, twice the building. So loud. So
don't believe that the primary function of songwriting is to come up with this, you know, cathartic moment of self-expression that just kind of makes you feel better. You know, I mean, if that's what I wanted to do, I would just sit in my room and jerk off all day. As with all soul coughing songs, it's a veritable field of references, and it's all that and more. You know, as stream of consciousness as they sound, they're all pretty meticulously worked out. Everything starts out from an improvisation, but usually it's, you know, me smoking pot in my apartment and listening to records, and some line comes into my head. I don't know. I find it interesting that we sit down and people ask us these questions, and nobody really seems to understand off the bat that they're love songs.
Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Move aside and let the man go through. Let the man go through. Perhaps you will sing for us now. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Move up and let the man go. Let the man go. Will the house say candy bar? A candy bar. A candy bar. Now scream. Now whisper, Superman, my super, oh Superman, my super, oh Superman, my super, Superman, Superman, my super, oh Superman, my super, oh Superman, my super, Superman, I let the man go, I let the man go, I let the man go, let the man go. I let the man go. I let the man go. I let the man go. Let the man go. Let the man go through.
HBO 2 is here tonight. I'm trying to act all rock starish for them. They fucked up the first one apparently and had to start a second one.
Assassination. Shocks a nation. With such a brutal crime. It's killing Christmas time. They kept the hero under mistletoe. Unveil the bitter side. Declared and wrecked behind. And no one wants to see it, 'cause no one can believe it. They're trying to come with some strangers free assassination on Christmas Eve. And police and detectives were purely ineffective. The DA's resignation stands. Assassination on Christmas Eve. And the traffic cop let some strangers get away. And the traffic cop let some strangers get away. Assassination shocks a nation with such a brutal crime. It's killing Christmas time. They kept a hero under mistletoe. Unveil the bitter side. Declare and wreck behind. No one wants to see it, 'cause no one can believe it. Trying to let some strangers free. Assassination on Christmas Eve. Police and detectives were purely ineffective. The DA's resignation stands. Assassination on Christmas Eve. And the traffic cop let some strangers get away. And the traffic cop let some strangers get away. And the traffic cop let some strangers get away. And the traffic cop let some strangers get away. Thanks.
Hello, Victoria. Buzz here. Buzz from the Melvins. Yeah, I'm the one that called you today about the house. You know, the big house. Yeah, you know, yeah. I will bring everything along that I'll need to buy the house today. Absolutely. Where did you say the house was? Beverly Hills? I think I can handle Beverly Hills. After all, I do need a bigger place. I think all my years of hard work in the music industry are starting to pay off, and maybe I will finally get my just desserts. I'm going to be the next owner of this place. I can feel it. We can have a hell of a blowout in this place. Boom! Dancing, parties. Actually, you know, I don't think I'd let anybody in this place. I think it would just be me and my beautiful wife, and that would be it. Hog the whole place to ourselves. I guess we could do that as long as we were the owners. This must be the bar.
This is the bar.
So does it come with a bartender? Can you tell me that? Whoa, easy does it? Maybe we shouldn't be at the bar. You could do anything you wanted in a house like this. This could possibly be the house of my dreams. I love it. Let's see the kitchen.
The thing is, can you afford it?
I've got everything I need right here in this bag. No worries, no worries. No financial worries for Mr. Osborne. You know, I've always been deathly afraid of water. I don't know why.
Really?
Yes, I can't even drink it. It has to be mixed with something. I won't let it, you know, pass my lips. So.
Well,
Isn't that strange?
then what are we going to do with the pool?
Oh, you know, that's just a detail I can worry about later.
You want to see the bowling alley?
Yeah, bowling alley.
Now this is the clincher. This is
it.
it. Best part about this is you can play against yourself.
Yeah. You know, I do that a lot, actually. I think I could take this place on by myself. Maybe.
Well, you know, Phil Collins' house is huge too.
Really? Who?
Huge. Actually, Bruce Springsteen has a huge house like this too. You don't know
I don't know
him?
who he is either, no.
Oh.
Is he like in the music industry or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it like management or something?
I think he's a performer.
Oh, well, aren't they
A
all?
very popular performer. Well, I hope I get a call from your business manager tomorrow.
Yeah, me too. Hope I get a call from him. I think the moment is at hand now to
Yeah.
unveil what it is that's going to make me the proud owner of this house. Check it out.
What is all this stuff?
Oh, it's just, you know, that's not important. That's not important. This is what's important. Okay, now in this bag, I have my life's work. Reams and reams of press talking about how wonderful I am. I'm considered the godfather of grunge music. The godfather, one of the biggest musical movements in the last 10 years. I'm the originator. Kurt Cobain, the famous Kurt Cobain, loved our band. And I would like to trade my wonderful rep, my musical rep, for this entire house. What do you say?
I just showed you a 20,000 square foot house. It took an hour of my time, and you expect me to say that you can trade this house for the stuff in that shitty little kit in there?
That's what I want to do.
No, I don't think so. You must be crazy. You must be totally out of your
Oh,
mind.
you don't have to be personal.
What
No.
you need for this house is one thing. Guess what? Money.
Money.
Get the people to buy these things. And then you get the money, and then you buy the house.
Yeah, but see, that's never really worked out that good for me. I can get this.
But you're,
this is
you
the
know,
press.
you-
This is the rep. You know, the rep. I'm trying to go for the rep. Kind of show people that, you know, that fame is really worth something.
It's worth something if you get paid for it.
Yeah.
If you don't get paid for it, you can't buy houses or cars or
Ah,
anything
hell
else for
with
that
it.
matter.
You shot my dream down. What am I gonna do now? You know,
I don't know.
I should have joined the Marines.
Go back to Seattle.
Yeah.
we're not in this to like start a fucking revolution. I mean, personally, I think it would be great if there was 5 other bands in the world that had people from extremely dissimilar backgrounds just trying to find a common ground to stand on. But there's not. In a way, I kind of wish there was more of a culture of decadence on a personal level. I'm always thinking about the devil, always thinking about what Satan wants for me, and how I, in my daily life, can better serve the cause of Satan. That's what we're about, man. War, death, Satan, all about that.
The signal got lost through the satellite, got lost in the right up to the plunge down. Man sends the ray of the electric light, sends the impulse through the air down to home. And you can stand on the arms of the Williamsburg Bridge crying, hey man, well this is Babylon. And you can fire it on a bus, the outside world, down to Louisiana, you can take her with you. I seen the reins of the real world sling forward on the plane. I seen the Kansas of your sweet little myth you never seen. I know I'm half sick on the drinks you mix through your.
You don't know what the fuck I am. Tell you the truth.
True dreams of Wichita. True dreams of Wichita. Broken like a sea in the asphalt stalks, push out dead air from a parking garage where you stand with the keys and your cool out of silence, where you grip her love like a driver's license. I seen you fire up the gas in the engine valve. I seen your hand turn saintly on the radio dial. I seen your waves pull your eyes towards heaven. Outside the big on the phone lines, her good teeth smile was winding down. Engines sputter ghosts out of gasoline fumes. They say you had it, but you sold it. You didn't want to know I'm half drunk on Babel. You transmit through your true dreams of Wichita. True dreams of Wichita. Punch it. I got a fat, I got too much things unbound on my head. I gotta burn them up. I gotta burn them up now. I got to go uptown, uptown. I got a thing, I got a little bit push. Gotta sit on a corner umbrella for mush. I got a bomb, I got a baby bomb. Gotta sit on a corner umbrella for my friend Gus. Got a thing, I gotta thing it, I gotta thing. Seem, I gotta run my side. True dreams. True dreams. True of Wichita. True dreams of Wichita.
The road is like a lonely lady. Lately, we've been playing it pretty fast and loose. We've just been kind of on this tip where we just kind of get on stage and go. We've been cultivating an audience that hopefully is going to come to expect this, that aren't exactly, paying $10 to come see, a total simulation of what they already own on record.
How about the fans?
How about those fans? How about the fan? Couldn't sleep without one.
Actually, can you guys have any good groupie stories?
Oh, loads of them.
Let's go.
Loads of groupie and drug stories. One time I covered this stripper in cocaine and I ate her whole.
Turn off your TV. If you're wondering about us groupies, just turn off your TV right now.
Well, it was a very deep and personal experience for me, and I can't believe you try and cheapen it like that.
Really. Now, turn it off. The button, it's right there.
there's a dreamer in my dream, riding in the back of a thing that you should call a Cadillac. He's got a brand new set of keys. He's got a new look. He's got a new look, and he's gonna take it all away. Well, there's a dreamer in my dreams, hanging from a beam, all jacked up in my garage. Well, he's hanging from a belt. He don't know what he's done. But just don't forget to say goodbye when he's gone. Good night. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
My lamps are useless. I've been forced to go around in the dark. Tell the mermaid I want to be a goddess.
All right, you fuckers, make some noise. know you're dumb as pain. I know you're dumb as. I know you're dumb as. I know you're dumb as pain. A lot of claws unremitting candygram. Almighty God is a living man you can. I know you're dumb ass. I know you're dumb ass. I know you're dumb as pain. I know you're dumb ass. I know you're dumb ass. I know you're dumb as pain. All right.
I'm making my exit. Goodbye. Good luck. Be free.
We don't
Peace.
sign anything without our lawyers.
Dale will speak for me from now on.